Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sohail Khan and I am a Cisco certified trainer. And today in this video I am going to show you how to make this three router topology, because many of my students and many of my subscribers told me about this, that they don't know how to make this topology, because no one on the YouTube channel is showing this type of topology, like how to create this. Okay, so for you guys I'm making this three router topology from very scratch. Will do. I will show you each and everything, like how to take this PC switch router, how to connect the link between these, so each and everything. But before that, if you are a new subscriber, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And second thing is, watch the video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you each and everything. So this video might be little bit long, so don't forget to watch till the end. Okay, and before that, I'm a Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming worldwide. So if anybody is interested in online training and like they want me to conduct the training, so I give online training also. This is my contact number and this is my email ID. You can contact me at this number and this email ID. Okay, and plus I am taking 100% guaranteed that I will make you an expert in CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. And one more thing, if you are a new subscriber, if you are new to my channel, then how to watch my channel, like how to watch all the previous part of the videos. So you just have to go to YouTube. Okay, that youtube.com, and on YouTube my channel name is CCNA expert. Okay, so you just have to write down the CCNA expert. All right, so when you type the CCNA expert or CCNA by Sohail Khan, you can write both the thing. So this is my channel. So when you go my channel, you will get all the previous video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe this and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See, here you have to go to all, because for the latest update, all the videos you should be notified by clicking on this bell icon. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, you will not get any update about this. Okay, so it is very important to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Plus here I'm creating a playlist for you guys. This playlist is for Hindi subscriber, like who are understanding in Hindi language, and this is the new CCNA, which is 200-301. I'm creating for my new subscriber in English language. So here if you are new subscriber, then here you will get all the videos. See,
Hi.
here you
Have
will
you
get
always
all the
wanted to learn to
videos.
code
All
but
right.
don't know where to start?
So
Would you
all
like
the
to make
videos you will get over here.
amazing websites and apps and bring
All the videos of CCNA you will get here. Okay. Now let's start our practical. So our today's practical, I'm going to show you how to make this topology. All right. This type of topology. So let's make it. All right. So let's start with the computer. So when you click here, okay, so you will get multiple symbols, and like here you will get the PC. So just click on the PC. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So we have to take 6 computers. Okay, because we are creating this 6 router topology, 3 router topology. All right, and from very basic I'm teaching you this thing. So watch the video till the end. Okay, so step number 1 is taking 6 computer, and after that we have to take switches. Okay, if you don't know how to take switch, how to take computer, you can watch my first video, the first video. Okay, in the first video part 1 I have teach you each and everything. So here you will get the new CCNA full basic part 1. So in part 1 I have show you that how to take all this thing from where. Okay, so you have to take this 6 computer, and when you click on the switch, you will see multiple types of switch. So here in this practical I am taking 2960 switch. Okay, so just click on the switch. Okay, or you can drag and drop also. See, like this, you can drag and drop also. See here. All right, so these are the 3 switches, plus we have to take 3 routers. All right, so now I'm changing the series of the router. I'm this time I'm taking this series of router, 2911 series router. because I don't want to add the serial port. And no, I'm not taking this series of router. I will take 2901 series of router. No, not this also. Okay, because there is no serial port. I will take, okay, let's take 2811 series router, because in our previous videos we have take this router. Okay, so 2811 series router and 2811 series router plus one router is here. Okay, only for you guys, because I receive a lot of what we call lot of what request to make this video, so that is why only for you I'm making this video. Okay, so this is how you will take the PC, switch and router. Now it's time for the connection. Now how to connect this? In my practical part number one, if you don't know how to connect the cable, just watch this video, CCNA full basic practical part 1. In this video I have shown you part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, and this is I'm making the part 5. This is the part 5. So if you are new to my channel, just go to my channel and watch this 4 videos before that. Okay, and after that this video you have to watch how to make this 3 router topology. Alright, now here is the link symbol. I will go to the link. Okay, and I will select this link, copper straight through. I'll click on the PC fast Ethernet 0. I'll go to switch fast Ethernet 0/1. I'll click on the second PC fast Ethernet 0, and then I'll click on the switch fast Ethernet 0/2. Okay, now I want to connect switch to router, so I will click on fast Ethernet. I can click anywhere, but I'm clicking fast Ethernet 0/3. Alright, and here I will going to click on fast Ethernet 0/0. Same thing you have to do on all 3 routers. See how I am doing this thing. Okay, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 2, fast Ethernet 3, and fast Ethernet 0/0. In the same way, we have to do this also, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 2, fast Ethernet 3, and fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, now we have to join the serial cable, right? So to join the serial cable, you must add the serial port, like I have shown you in my previous video, basic practical part 1. So how to add a serial port? Just click on the router. Okay, go to the physical mode. Here's the block. You have to just off the router. All right, and this is the WIC2T is the name of the serial port. Okay, just drag and drop this thing. Okay, this is the serial port, and just on the router. Same way you have to do this on remaining 2 router also. Just click on the router. Okay, off switch off the router. Scroll down this thing, and WIC2T just drag down this thing and on the router. Same way we'll do here also. Switch off the router. Scroll down here and just drag and drop the serial port and switch on the router. So this is how you will add the serial port. Alright, now the next step is to connect the serial link between the router. Alright, now how to do this? See, when you click on the connection symbol, you will get a multiple types of connection. Alright, so here you have to, I'm selecting this serial DCE. Alright, now I'll click. So see here, now I'm getting the option of serial port, serial 0/3/0. I can connect anywhere, but I'm connecting here. All right, same way I will do here also, serial 0/3/0. I can connect anywhere, but I'm connecting here. Okay, now again I have to select the serial cable, go to this router, serial 0/3/1, and go here serial 3. You can connect anywhere. Okay, I'm connecting here. So this is how you are going to connect the serial cable, which is our motive. Like, this is our motive. Okay, so in this video what we are going to learn, how to create 3 router topology on packet tracer. This thing I have done. Now the second thing is how to design the topology by place node. It means, see here, like here. See here you are seeing all this 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.4, 40 and 50, right? Everything you are seeing here. So how to write this thing? Okay, it is very simple. Here you are getting the option of place note. Alright, place note. So this is called the place note. So with the help of this place note you can write, like before configuring the topology we are writing outside like what to configure there. Alright, so I'm see with the help of place note I'm writing everything here. Like here on this PC I want to give IP address 10.0.0.0.0.2 and slash 8, and alright, plus here I want to give 10.0.0.3 slash 8, alright, and here I have to give default gateway also. So the default gateway will be 10.0.0.1, alright, 10.0.0.1 slash 8. Okay, now the default gateway of PC will be the IP address of the router. So here 10.0.0.1 slash 8. Okay, in the same way I'm going to do all this router. See here, I will click on the place note. Okay, on place note here I want to give 20.0.0.1, so 20.0.0.1 slash 8, and here I want to give 20.0.0.2 slash, okay, here I want to give 20.0.0.2 2, and here I want to give 20.0.0.3, alright, and the default gateway will be 20.0.0.1, okay, slash 8. Now the default gateway of the computer will be the IP address of the router, so 20.0.0.1 slash 8. So this is only designing. I'm designing the network. I have not started the configuration till now. I'm just designing the network. Okay, like where I want to give which IP address. So I'm just designing the network. All right. Now here I want to give 30.0.0.2 slash 8. Here I want to give 30.0.0.0.3 slash 8, and plus here the default gateway will be DFG, stands for default gateway, which is 30.0.0.1 slash 8. Alright, and the default gateway of the computer is the default gateway of your router, 30.0.0.1 slash 8. Now between router to router I want to give another range of network. So here I am giving 40.0.0.1 slash 8, and here I will give 40.0.0.2 slash 8. Okay, and here I will give 50.0.0.1 slash 8, and here I will give 50.0.0.2 slash 8. So this is how with the help of place note you can write it down anything, like what IP you have to configure where. Okay, so this is the step number 2. Step number 1 was creating the topology, and step number 2 is writing with the help of place note. See, this is the step, right? Step number 1 is how to create a topology, which we have done. Step number 2 is how to design a topology by place note. So this is also done. Step number 3 is how to configure three router, because this is the main thing you guys don't know. Okay, so that is why that is why I have told you to watch till the end, because this is the main part. Alright, so see here. So now first what I will do, first I will go to the computer and I will give the computer IP address. Alright. So I'll click on the PC, desktop, IP configuration, and here I will give the IP address 10.0.0.2 tab. By clicking on the tab you will get the subnet mask, and again the gateway will be the 10.0.0.1. Alright. Similarly I will do here also, desktop, IP configuration 10.0.0.3 tab, tab, 10001 is the default gateway. Similarly, I will go here also. I will click on the computer 20002, tab gateway will be 20001. In the same way I will do here also. I will go to the desktop 20003, okay, 20003, tab and gateway will be 20001. Alright, here also desktop 30.0.0.2, tab 30001 will be the default gateway. And here is the last computer, which here you have to give like 30.0.0.3, tab and gateway will be 30.0.0.1. So this is how you are going to configure the IP address in the PC. The next step is how to configure this router or three router. Okay, in my previous video I have already shown you this thing, but here is the matter of three router, which the students are always confused. So that is why I'm making this video, so please watch till the end. So now here, okay, so let's say this is the U this is the USA router, all right, and this is the UK router, this is the UK router, and this is India router, this is India router, all right. So now here how to configure the router. So I have to just click on the router. I will go to CLI, the CLI will open, okay. So here it is asking yes or no, so I will type no, don't do anything, I will do each and everything, no, and to type enter. This is the user mode, and I've already teach you this thing in basic practical part 1, part 3 and part 4. Now this is part 5. Now I'm not going to show you what is this mode, okay, because in our previous 4 part I've already shown you. So this is the user mode, and I have to go in privilege mode. So command is enable. Alright, now I am into privilege mode, then command is configure terminal. So this is your global configuration mode. Here you will do the full configuration. So let's start with the host name. Alright, so the host name is, what is the host name? USA. See, now the host name is changed from router to USA. Now I have to give IP address to this fast Ethernet and this serial port. So what I will do, I will go in interface fast Ethernet 0/0, because here my port number is 0/0. So that is why. Alright. Now I am into a fast Ethernet port. By config, if you came to know that okay, hey, I am into the fast Ethernet port now. So why you are here to give the IP address? So now give IP address. IP address is 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. Alright, now this port is down, which is shut down. So you have to tell, hey port, don't be shut down, just please on. So the command is no shutdown. No shutdown means that please up the port. See, now the light turns from red to green light. It means the port is now up. Alright. Yeah. So now we have to exit from fast Ethernet port, because we have to go in serial port. So like exit. Why we are doing exit? Because we want to go in serial port. That is why we are performing this exit. Alright. Now I'm exiting from fast Ethernet port, then interface serial. Now what is my serial number? 0/3/0. So like 0/3/0. Alright. Now why you are here? To give the IP address. So now give IP address 40.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Now on serial port I have already shown you, we have to give additional command which is called clock rate. Clock rate means the bandwidth speed. Okay, clock rate 64,000. You can give anything. I'm giving 64,000, like 64,000 bits per second. It's like 64 kbps something. Alright, and then no shutdown. Okay, so now this port will not up, because on serial port we have to give no shutdown command on both the port, like on both the side, like here also and here also, then it going to up. Okay, so now you want to save the configuration. Now how to save? I've already shown you. Control Z. By pressing the Control Z, you will directly go to privilege mode, and in privilege mode there is a very small command called write. But with the help of this write command, you will save the configuration. So we are done with the USA router. Now this is the main point. Here all the students are confused. All the students are confused here. Like how to give IP address, because here there are two serial port. One is 3/0 and one is 3/1. If you clearly see this, here you will get 0/3/1 and 3/0. So every student forget this thing. Okay, and here you will get fast Ethernet. So how to configure this UK router, right? This is the UK router. So let's do this. Okay, now go to this router CLI. It will ask you yes or no, like, so you will say, hey, no, I will configure everything. Okay, enable. Okay, Control Shift 6 is the command. I just restart the router because that will take the time. Okay, so I will just go to this router. I will say that no, I will configure each and everything. Enable configure terminal host name. What is the host name? UK. Alright, so we have done the host name. Now we have to configure the IP address. So first we'll start with the fast Ethernet 0/0. It is not necessary that you always start from 00. I am starting from 00. You can start from serial also. Alright. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. This will take you to interface fast Ethernet 0. IP address 20001. Here. Just focus here. Okay. And here you have to give 4000. Here you have to give 5000. Alright. So IP address is 20.0.0.1. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and then no shutdown. This will brings the interface up. Now exit from the fast Ethernet port. Why? Because we want to go in serial port. Now on this UK router, I have two serial port. One is 30 and one is 31. So I have to go in both the port and give IP address. But I will go one by one. Alright. See how to go here. Exit. Then interface serial 0/3/0. Alright. This will take you to inside of this port. And now the IP address is 40.0.0.2255000, and then clock rate is 64,000. No need of giving here, but I'm giving each everywhere. 64,000, and then no shutdown. Now see, now it becomes on both the port, because on serial port, until and unless you give command on both the side, this port will not going to up. Alright, here. So now I'm exiting from this serial port because I want to go here on this serial port. Alright, so exit, then interface serial 0/3/1, and this will take you inside the port, and the IP address 50.0.0.1 255.0.0.0, and then clock rate 64,000. Okay, and then no shutdown. Okay, now I want to save the configuration, so you will press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is the shortcut key to directly go in privilege mode. Okay, so once you are in a privilege mode, then you have to give command write. Write is the command to save the configuration. So we are done with this most difficult thing where all the students are confused. Alright, so I have shown you this thing. You can rewind and you can check multiple times. Alright, now the turn of this India router. Okay, I will go to this India router, and it is asking yes or no. So I will say that, hey, no, I will do each and everything. Enable configure terminal. Alright, configure terminal, and then interface host name. Alright, host name is India, and this interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address is 30.0.1.255.0.0.0 is the subnet mask, and then no shutdown. Okay, so this port is going to up. Now exit from here, and then interface serial 0/3/0. Here I will give IP address 50.0.0.2.255.0.0.0, and then clock rate 64,000, and then no shutdown. So we are done with the basic configuration of all three router. Alright, so this is how you are going to configure. But hey, if you are trying to ping from this computer to this computer, you are not able to ping because your router is not having a root, because router by default contain the roots of directly connected network only. Okay, see, if I try to ping from 10.0.0.2 to 30.0.0.3, then I'm not be able to ping. See here, ping 30.0.0.3, it will say me destination host unreachable. So what to do? So now this is not complete. So here we have to configure one any small any protocol. So let's say for you guys to make it simple, I'm configuring RIP. Okay, so I'll go configure. I will say router RIP. From USA router, two networks are directly connected, 10 and 40. So I will say network 10.0.0.0. I will write the network address, of course, and network 40.0.0.0. In the same way, I will go to UK router. Now on UK router, three networks are directly connected, 40, 50 and 20. So you have to mention all three protocols, all three networks on UK router. So I will go to config mode, router RIP. RIP is the protocol that I'm going to show you after this thing. I'm going to make one separate video on RIP protocol, but for time being, I'm just for to do the ping, I'm doing this thing. Alright, network 20.0.0, network 50.0.0.0, and network 40.0.0.0, because these three networks are directly connected to UK router. Alright, in the same way, I will go to this India router. So on India router, 30 and 50 network are directly connected. So I will go to configure mode. Okay, router RIP network 30.0.0.0 and network 50.0.0.0. So now after running the protocol and after doing all the configuration, now if I ping from this computer to this computer, like from first computer to last computer, then now this time it will going to ping. The first packet will be request timeout, because for mapping purpose, routers and computers are saving this. But definitely it's going to ping. Say, now my PC is getting the reply, and we are done. Okay, so this is all about your lecture number 5. So in your lecture number 5, you have learned how to create three router topology, how to design the topology by place node, and how to configure router and PC. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And how you feel about my channel, you can please comment down. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my number. I teach CCNA, CCNP, and Python programming. All right, with 100% expertization guaranteed. All right, so guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe the